Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious caramel candy with condensed milk. First, gather your ingredients. 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1/2 cup of butter, and 1 cup of brown sugar. Next, prepare a 9x 13-inch baking dish by lining it with parchment paper, leaving an overhang for easy removal. Make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature before you begin. This helps them combine smoothly. Now combine the condensed milk, butter, and brown sugar in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Place it over medium heat. Stir the mixture constantly with a wooden spoon or silicone spatula. Continue stirring for about 10 to 15 minutes until it thickens and turns a rich caramel color. Use a candy thermometer to ensure the mixture reaches 245 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the firm ball stage. Once your caramel reaches the correct temperature, carefully pour the hot mixture into your prepared 9x 13-inch dish. Spread it evenly using a spatula. Now comes the waiting game. Allow the caramel to cool completely at room temperature for 2 to 3 hours. For an extra firm set, you can refrigerate it for about 30 minutes before moving on to the next step. After the caramel has fully cooled and firmed up, it's time to cut it. Use a sharp knife, lightly oiled, to cut the caramel into 1-inch squares. For best results and to prevent sticking, wrap each individual piece in wax paper. Store your delicious homemade caramel candy in an airtight container at room temperature. They make wonderful gifts or a sweet treat for yourself. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.